and instead you bought a doohickey to stuff your greedy face.
Don't worry, Homer. Nothing fixes bad times like good food. Also, I died.
I can't believe you cooked this.
Well, the secret to barbecue is sitting around doing nothing. No wonder I'm great at it.
Smoky carrot.
And Maggie, this is for you. Come on, just one bite.
Never.
Ever.
Forget it.
Remember it.
No way, Jose.
See way, Josefina.
Nothing doing.
Everything undoing.
Oh, fine. One bite. Homie, I finally understand gluttony.